If you want to install a VPN app on Xiaomi 17, first of all, we just have to go to the Play Store. Once you open it, we should be able to use the search button at the bottom of the screen, and then use the search field at the top, and you can just simply type VPN over here. This should allow you to find many different VPN apps, and most of them are free, and they offer some features for free. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and I'm gonna install it. And I'm going to show you how to set it up in this example with this app. But if you don't like this app, or if you want to try other VPN apps, then of course feel free to do so. I recommend you to actually do so. I encourage you to do so in order to try to find your favorite one. So once you open the app, in some cases you will have to create an account. In this case, we don't have to, we can just continue as a guest over here. So let's do this. And then we also have the information about the premium offer, which of course we can just skip by tapping on a Not Now over here at the bottom of the screen. And there we go, you should be able to connect to a free server if you don't want to pay for anything, and that is all you have to do. Of course, make sure to check some of the settings in case you need to make some adjustments. In some cases you might want to do that, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.